Hello student, this is Samana Dhakar. In the last video we had studied about the mitochondria, the first part of the cytoplasm. Now there is a second part of the cytoplasm, that is chloroplast. Chloroplast is present only in the plant cell. It is not present in the animal cell. Majority of chloroplasts are found in the mesophyll cell of leaves. यानी leaves की जो mesophyll cells होती हैं मैक्सिमम क्लोरोप्लास्ट mesophyll cells में present होता है. Number variety from 1 per cell of the Chlamydomonas, a green algae, to 20 to 40 per cell in the mesophyll cell. Shape of the chloroplast, that is oval, can be spherical, lanced, ribbon shape. The length of the chloroplast, that is 5 to 10 micron meter, and width of the chloroplast, that is 2 to 4 micron meter. The structure is like mitochondria. It is also double membrane bound organelle. Out of two, the membrane is relative less permeable. It means जो membrane होता है mitochondria में हमने पढ़ा था mitochondrial membrane is permeable membrane, but the chloroplast membrane is not permeable, that is less permeable. Inside the inner membrane there is a watery protein rich ground substance called stroma. लाइक जैसे कि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के अंदर जो लिक्विड प्रेजेंट था दैट वाज मैट्रिक्स, एंड द लिक्विड विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द क्लोरोप्लास्ट दैट इज स्ट्रोमा. इट स्ट्रोमा देयर इज कॉइन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. स्ट्रोमा के अंदर कॉइन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. दैट स्ट्रक्चर आर नोन एज थाइलेकोइड्स. जो कॉइन लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं दैट इज थाइलेकोइड. इफ वी टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज डबल मेम्ब्रेन ऑर्गेनल. बोथ लेयर आर लाइक that are the smooth layers. There is a coil like structure. That coil like structure, that is thylakoid. The thylakoid usually lie in the stalk. जो thylakoid होता है वो एक stalk में present होता है, and this stalk is known as the grana. That is known as a granum, and the grouping of granum, that is called grana. They contain chlorophyll. Every thylakoid have the small particles, and the particles are known as the chlorophyll. The grana are interconnected by tubular membrane called the intergranular freight or lamellae. जो ग्रेना होते हैं एक दूसरे से एक ट्यूबुलर स्ट्रक्चर से कनेक्ट होते हैं, and that structure known as the lamellae. The stroma also have its own DNA and 78 type of ribosome, just like mitochondria. The function of chloroplast, that is, it is a site of photosynthesis because chloroplast have the green pigment, that is chlorophyll, so it is a site of photosynthesis. So what? The plants can make their own food, balancing of oxygen and CO2 in nature. It store vitamin K, E, rubisco, and iron, etc.